Welcome back to another episode of Minute with Ted Family Edition. This month, children will be learning about different animals, the environment they live in, and how they work together to survive and thrive. From ant colonies to birds' nests, your children will explore what it means to build, share, and cooperate, important skills that support both academic growth and social development. At COA, cooperation isn't just something we teach, it's something we model every day through our partnership with you, our families. And this month, it's also our Moral of the Month. And as always, be sure to wait till the very end for a special photo montage featuring moments from classrooms across Children of America. March is packed with fun, learning, and special events across all of our schools. First, we'll be celebrating Dr. Seuss Day, bringing stories to life through themed activities, literacy fun, and a love of reading. We'll also host a Baking with Bentley event. It's a hands-on experience that combines creativity, teamwork, and of course, something delicious. And during our CACFP week, we'll highlight the importance of healthy eating and nutrition, helping children understand how the foods they eat fuel their bodies and brains each day. A big part of our Apple a Day nutrition program. And of course, we'll celebrate St. Patrick's Day with festive classroom activities full of creativity and fun. Wow, that's a packed month. But that's just what you will be participating in. Behind the scenes, our leaders will also be gathering for our annual Leadership Summit, a time where our team comes together, we celebrate wins across the company as we grow together, align on strategy, and continue strengthening the experience we provide to you, our families, every day. It may feel early, but summer will be here before we know it. We're excited to share that our Early Bird Summer Camp promotion is now live, and families can save approximately 15% on summer camp tuition when they register early, and you do that through the Family Portal. Our summer program is designed to keep children active, engaged, and learning all summer long with themed weeks, hands-on activities, outdoor play, water days, field trips, and memorable experiences your children look forward to every year. Spots fill quickly, and this promotion is only available for a limited time, so we encourage you to connect with your school team for details and secure your child's spot early, again, through the Family Portal. Now, for everyone's favorite part of Minute with Ted, Family of the Month. This month, the Family of the Month is the Saxton family from COA League City down in Texas. We're proud to recognize the Saxton family because their support isn't a one-time gesture. It's a consistent commitment to our entire school community. They are true COA cheerleaders, frequently recommending our school in local parent groups and sharing their positive experience with other families. But what really sets them apart is how they show up. During a recent leadership transition, they made it a point to check in and offer support. They helped families and staff with car trouble, volunteered their time assembling classroom furniture, and brought extra joy to school events. Wow, guys, really appreciate all that support. And the Saxtons don't just attend COA, they strengthen it. And as a small token of our appreciation, we'll be gifting the Saxton family with either a free week of tuition for each of their children or a $250 gift card to a popular retailer of their choice. Again, thank you for being part of the COA community. We're grateful for the partnership we share and look forward to a fun and exciting month ahead. We'll see you next month for another episode of Minute with Ted, Family Edition.